So guys,
I'm good, thank you.
and the vlog starts here.
And we're in Puyallup. Hey guys!
Hey.
Kaya, so you can wear them if you want.
Oh, it's okay. Tell her thank you.
Alright.
We are out of this piece, boy.
Yeah, boy. Maya, you gotta do time lapse when we drive.
Okay.
Oh, wait, let me show your dad's Pontiac.
Oh, Gabby wants you guys to see the whip. This has been my car since like the rightful age of 3. Ooh.
That's on period.
That's on period. Can't show the license plate. Yep.
Go ride the whip.
Now watch him swing. Watch him swing.
Hit the rims.
Hey.
Bling, bling.
Those are 22s. You guys don't know nothing about that.
Every time I come around your city.
Whose drink's just chilling?
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need
Whoever
you.
made this didn't make it right.
Lonnie made it.
She didn't make it right.
Oh.
She told me to
Oh,
sit
shoot. I gotta
in
grab
the
my
front.
wallet from
I got in the front. Gabby said,
Should have shouted same seats like back in the day, huh?
Grow up.
Front seat. Right. Shotgun. It's okay, Gab. On our way home, you can sit in the front. Yeah, because you're gonna have to. You know, I said.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, Gabby, she really tried to come for you.
Woo! Woo to Wendy's!
444.
444.
Okay, I gotta figure out how to.
Where are we at?
Oh, we're supposed to text your mom and ask them what exactly the kids want.
They just like plain stuff. So nothing that has like.
What about what's her name? Maya's friend. Maria's
Kaya?
friend? Kaya.
Okay, what you get? You doing?
We're in Wendy's. I'm just waiting for the lady to say hi.
I don't.
Oh.
Oh.
Hi. How are you?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Awesome sauce. Okay, we're getting 544 first. Well, you're getting one.
Yes.
Gabby, are you getting one? Okay, so how many is that? 8.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get the 5 for the kids are all gonna be plain cheeseburgers.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, can I have 5 4-for-4s?
Get junior bacon with no bacon and no nothing on it.
Wait, you said junior bacon with no
What kind
bacon?
of sandwich would you like with
The
those?
plain.
Yeah.
So just the cheeseburger.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so for those 5, can I do the junior cheeseburger plain?
All of them are going to be plain?
Yes. And then the nuggets. And what kind of sauces should I get?
All sweet and sours.
Can I have all
And
sweet and sour
barbecue.
sauce and barbecue for that? And then Sprites.
You
Yum.
need a tripod.
Right? I have a tripod, but it says your mom's house. Do we got to pay at the first window? Okay. Did he tell me that? Okay, can I pay 22 cash and then the rest on my card?
Dang, we're hecka broke when you have to split payments up.
Shut up!
I can't with this pimple.
It can't with you. Let it not 11 when we're cruising. How's your day going?
Do you want to say hi to our vlog?
I'm doing a mukbang, so that's why we're getting all.
He said he wants to say hi. Aj, move.
Yeah.
You're right there.
You can't see him. You're all up in my grill.
Guys, all of this. Show them it all. All these in there. Oh.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a mukbang with the Wendy's 444. These are all my cousins. You know, we got cheeseburgers, chicken nuggets, fries, soda. So we're just about to sit here and eat and talk.
All right.
All
Are you guys ready to dig in?
Yeah, let's dig on, dude.
Okay. So today is Labor Day. I didn't have to work.
I didn't either.
Thank you, Jesus.
I did.
You
Oh!
did not have to work, Malia.
Aj!
What?
This is yours.
What?
This one's yours.
So then they can.
It's totally fine because I bit it and like spit it out. You don't want that.
Your teeth marker in it.
Yeah, you don't want that.
So, you guys are really quiet.
Dang, no, bro.
So, raise your hand if you got a boyfriend.
Wow.
Raise your hand!
He's really aggressive.
Well, you're trying to put them on flat.
I want to hear all three then.
I don't have a boyfriend. Single, ready to
Me too.
mingle.
Yeah, for any guys that are watching
Yeah.
Ajna's channel, you're Christian,
She's single, ready to mingle.
And I'm in Seattle, Washington. I'm not traveling.
Bellevue technically.
Yeah, but
But she's a house mom in SeaTac.
excuse me.
A house mom in SeaTac.
Don't be throwing my business out
That's
there.
our
Oh,
house,
you're like
baby.
the sorority mom?
That's our house, loser.
I know what she's talking about. I was just asking if that's what she
Raise your hand if you have a girlfriend.
Oh yeah.
I only just got one. Got a few.
Hear that, Mom?
I ain't.
No clout.
What's her name?
Sarah.
No!
Imani? Her name is made up.
Her name's Sophia.
Gabby's cousin?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Gabby, if you're watching this, my brother just forced a relationship upon your cousin.
Literally.
Well,
Gave it to
guys,
her.
for you kids in school, how do you guys feel about remote learning?
I know.
I'm terrible.
Right?
You hear that, SPS? Why do you guys hate it?
Cause
You don't get to see your
I got off
friends.
at 9:50, so I hated it.
School's over at 9:50?
8:30, 9:50 for one teacher.
I don't know why they try to have us have our cameras on the whole time.
all day.
No,
She's not trying to be watched. She's like, look here. You're doing too much.
They want to watch you guys while you sit there and do your homework?
Yeah.
We don't do nothing.
I would play a piece of
What do you
tape.
guys do?
We decorate our lockers.
Lockers.
You guys
We
have
don't have
virtual
lockers.
lockers?
You have what?
Virtual lockers. I put do not disturb in mine.
What?
Oh, Heavenly Father. We didn't even pray.
Alright, let's pray then.
Wow.
Hopefully you prayed for everyone.
No.
I prayed.
I'm afraid. I didn't.
Okay.
Amen.
Oh, you should have zoomed in a little.
Man, bro, you look like a burnt chicken.
I did.
Hey, you got me.
Alright, Osh. Well, since you're the single one here, what are you looking for in a guy?
I think right now I'm focusing on myself. I thought I
Okay.
was looking for a guy, but he's gonna find me, so.
Period.
I'm not telling that.
She said, I searched all over.
Couldn't find nobody.
I searched high and low. Still couldn't find nobody. Wait. Nobody greater. Nobody greater. Nobody greater than you.
What? Mike Brown.
Huh? Well, you heard it here, guys. Live in effect. She is not looking for nobody.
That and
We're over here. We're over here eating processed food.
Oh, wow.
What do you guys think is better, Wendy's or McDonald's? Or Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A's
I
good,
hate Chick-fil-A.
but
Yeah.
McDonald's is like,
I don't like Chick-fil-A.
I don't like the chicken sandwiches.
I love these chicken. I don't like anything but their fries.
where?
Me neither.
Mommy likes their chicken. Their
I
chicken
love Chick-fil-A. It's so good.
I love the fries.
Really? And that's, she doesn't say that
I
a
love
lot.
their chicken nuggets
So,
from Wendy's.
Chick-fil-A for the win, for sure. Wow, nobody even knows our name.
Oh yeah. Let's start with you, lovely lady, right here.
My name is Mariah. My name is Little Saucy.
That's
Oh.
not your name. Let's try it again.
My name is Bert.
You guys know who this is.
You know who I am. Ajane, dang.
I'm Janiqua.
My name is Gabby.
I'm MJ Khaled. Just kidding, I'm Maya.
I'm Kaya.
Kaya.
And I'm Leah.
We got a lot.
It's called Meet Diggity Dogs, where it's
all the new dogs.
I'll put
Oh,
your
yeah,
information
Saturday and
in
Sunday.
the.
Yeah, what's their business hours?
Saturday? No, it's not.
Through
It's
Sunday?
It's 9 to 6:30.
On Saturday and Sunday, it's 9 to 5.
Wait, that's confusing. You
9
said
to
6:30.
Yeah.
You're
It's
saying 6?
6.
Your country Shirley, what is
It's
it?
5:30.
Hey, yo, Ma!
It's not there anymore.
Wow.
Hey, yo, Ma! We're trying to promote Daddy's business.
I'll just
What's his hours?
I'll put the information in the, what is it, the bio?
Huh?
Under the video? Yeah,
6.
the description. 6. So 9 to 6, Saturday and Sunday. I'll put my uncle's information in the description.
And Kaya. And Malia.
Thank you guys. Come on, get close.
We brought Prince out.
So this was the end. I didn't eat all my food, but you know,
I ate all
it was
mine.
good. This is Bert.
This
All
is
right.
Prince.
This is Prince
Prince
Ali.
up. Uh-oh.
Walk it off.
It's good.
No.
Wow.
This is Mariah, and then Kaya. Come on, you were in it, so.
Come on, Nasty Sheena.
Hey.
That's Gabby. Oh.
Daddy.
Wow. Still classy.
I'm going to the beach.
Peace out.
Peace up. A-Town down.
And cover Malia.
For so long now, let's go find the kids. Mom, say hi. They have my dog with them right now.
It looks like they have got him off the leash and he ran across the street. Okay, Bert just got him from the other side of the street.
You guys let him off the leash?
Yeah, our daddy told us to. And we blocked all 4 entrances.
But why'd you? I see you pick him up over there.
Daddy told us to let him go because he was eating sticks and stuff. We brought him to you.
He keeps eating.
This is who we're waiting on.
Maya. He keeps eating food. And we're telling him stop.
He doesn't listen.
Welcome to the vlog.
He wanted me. Hey. You guys.
Prince.
Prince, stop. It's choking him. Bert, it's not choking him. Hey, stop.
He learned how to bite.
Stop. He was Prince.
Cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out.
You taking him with you?
Prince.
Prince Ali. All right, you guys are done walking him. Thank you.
Stop. You're touching his pee-pee. Hey, Prince.
All right, Bert, go get Ajne's keys so I can.
Can I go with you guys? No,
I'm just getting his doggy bed out the car.
Can I eat?
Go, yes, go get the keys.